Hey there, in today's video, I'll guide you on how to fix YouTube subscriptions not showing up. Let's dive in. Firstly, we'll start by clearing the app data. To do this, tap and hold your YouTube app icon, then tap on App Info, select Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache next. Tap on Clear Data now, reopen YouTube and check if the issue persists. Our second solution involves uninstalling updates. Again, tap and hold the YouTube app icon, then select App Info, tap on Uninstall Updates and confirm by tapping OK. After that, head to the Play Store, search for YouTube, and update the app. Check if the problem has been resolved. Lastly, if the issue persists, we'll uninstall the YouTube app entirely. Go to your device's settings, navigate to Apps, find YouTube, and select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, head to the Play Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall the app. That's it. Follow these steps to troubleshoot YouTube subscriptions not showing up. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to 5-Minute Solution for more content. Thank you for watching.